How to turn on private message notification stream on Roblox mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off private message notification stream on Roblox mobile. First thing, go to Roblox and now click these 3 points here in the bottom corner and then go down and click settings, and then here you will find that notification. Just click on it, and now here you will find this one. Click on it and then just go down and click save, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.